Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about photosynthesis, autotrophic nutrition in green plants, that is photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? It is the process by which green plants transforms light energy from the sun into chemical energy, that is starch. Here, four factors are required for photosynthesis activity. One is light trapping from the sun and carbon dioxide getting from the atmospheric air, water from the soil through roots, and chlorophyllous pigment which is present in plant cell. By photosynthesis process, the end products formed are oxygen and carbohydrates. Chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight. Chlorophyll pigment gives rise 1 molecule of C6H12O6, that is glucose, and 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. Photosynthetic pigments. What is meant by pigment? Pigment means by which the energy of sun is captured for photosynthesis. Here, photosynthetic pigments are two types. One is chlorophylls, second one is carotenoids. Chlorophylls are of two types, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Carotenoids are two types, carotene and xanthophyll. These chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are most essential for photosynthesis activity. Visible light range from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers is composed of different wavelengths with different colors. That is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. This visible light is important for plants for most of activities such as photosynthesis. Visible light is composed of different wavelengths, that is these 7 colors. Majority of the photosynthetic activity in plants is done in the leaf part. When we see cut and open transverse section of leaf, the picture is looking like this. It consists upper epidermis, the outer covering layer, and lower epidermis, that is lower covering area, and the palisade chlorophyll structure and spongy mesophyll also present in the mid part of the leaf. And in the lower epidermis area, the stomata, the porous structures, tiny openings for exchange of gases appear. And majority of the stomata are present in the lower epidermis. The palisade parenchymatic tissue, which consists more number of chloroplasts and compactly arranged and spongy mesophyll, is which gives rise to some more spaces with less chloroplasts. When we observe each palisade, single palisade cell structure, it consists nucleus with more number of chloroplasts. Chloroplasts, these are the plant cell organelles, type of plastids. Because of these chloroplasts, which consist the chlorophyll pigment, these are appear green in color. And the chloroplast, it is made up of a double membranous structure and round bodies, and internally inside the stalked sac-like structures are called granum. This is a site for trapping of sunlight. And in middle, the intermediary fluid filled portion is called stroma, and it is responsible for enzymatic reactions and for synthesizing the glucose. Raw materials for photosynthesis are mostly carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere and water absorbed from the soil through roots. The exchange of gases takes place through the stomatal pores. In the right side diagram, we may see that opening of stomata and down the closed stomata. In the photosynthesis process, the first step is trapping of sunlight. By trapping of sunlight, the chlorophyll pigment get activated and photolysis is done. Photolysis means photo means light and lysis means splitting. So the light, by using light photons energy, the water molecule get split and gives rise to hydrogen and oxygen along with ATP. Here in the mechanism of photosynthesis, in the first phase, the light reaction, second phase is dark reaction. Light reaction is light dependent reaction which occurs in the granum of chloroplast. So, by utilizing the sunlight, the chlorophyll pigment get activated and splitting of water molecule takes place and release of ATP and NADPH is seen. Next step is the dark phase, or dark phase means it is independent light reaction, means there is no requirement of light. It is occur in stroma of chloroplast. This is also called Kelvin cycle, and in the first phase light reaction, the ATP NADPH is released, utilized by the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The preparation of starch along with is done.